In this video we will see how to use the if control structure. So in order to use the if statement, I will declare a variable of type integer and assign a value to it, and then I will like to check if variable is equal to 5. So we do if, and in the parentheses we write the what we would like to check. So if variable is equal to 5, we need to say equal, which is the equal means it compares and checks if both values are equal. It is not an assignment operator. 1 equal is an assignment operator. 2 equals, it's a check. So variable is equal to 5, and if it is equal to 5, we would display center text line, and in here we enter the lines. We first enter the line of the screen we would like to print on. Now the EV3 screen is about 20 lines long, so I would like to display it in the center, which would be about 10. Then I will enter my message in double quotes for displaying text and say hello. So here our if statement checks if variable is equal to 5. If it is, it goes in here and runs this line of code. Now in order for us to see the code, we need to add the following line: sleep. Now sleep function allows us to pause the program and basically for us to see the text that's displayed on the screen, because if we didn't pause it, it would display it and immediately run and finish the main program. So we need to sleep, and in the parentheses enter the amount of milliseconds we would like the EV3 to pause. So in this case I would enter 3000, which corresponds to 3 seconds. Now let's go ahead and compile this, download to Robot. And as we can see, we have hello displayed in the center of our screen for 3 seconds. We could check for other statements, other values, if we said else. So this would be, let's say, a default case, which would be display Now the else statement checks if, when the if statement is run, it checks if this condition is met. If it's not met, it moves to the else statement, and the else statement always runs if the if statement isn't executed. So if we change the value of variable, make it 6, the if statement shouldn't run the first message, which is hello, and it should proceed to the else statement, which is bye. And let's go ahead and check this code and start, and we can see the message displayed on our screen. Now we could also have other checks by building a bigger structure. We could say if variable equals to 6, then display. And we can have another else statement, which will be our default. Now what this does, it checks if the variable is equal to 5. If it's not, checks if the variable is equal to 6. If it's not, it moves to the else, which is the last one in this case, and displays default case. Now here, if I change the value of 6, I will check the default case. So compile, download to robot, and start. And you can see it prints default case. So if I change it to 6, it should display the second message. And this is how we use the if-else control structures.